Hey you guys, welcome back to Zindy.com. I wanted to show you our new cookie jar acrylic blanks. All of these have shaker pieces, so you can make them like 3D shaker ones. But I want to kind of give you an idea on size of the gingerbread cookies that fit inside of it. So this is the 3-inch gingerbread shakers. These little guys are 0.5 inch. These little guys are 0.75 inch. And then we also have these, which are 1 inch. So it can kind of give you an idea. So if you're doing 1 inch for the 3-inch size cookie jar, I would do at the most 4 of the 1 inch gingerbreads. If you are going to do the 0.75 inch, which is the ones that I really like for the 3-inch size, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is exactly 10, so you can get 10 easily in there. And then this one is 10 of the 0.5 inch gingerbreads, which these are really cute too. Honestly, they're adorable. So I do love these too, but you can easily get about 20. Here's another 10. There's 20 of the 0.5 inch gingerbread. So 0.5 inch, 0.75 inch, 1 inch. And then we also have paw prints if you want to add some for your fur babies. 0.5 inch is what I would use for this size, the 0.75 inch cookies or the 0.5 inch cookies. So this is the 0.75 inch paw prints. If you're using the 1 inch gingerbread, this is the 0.75 inch paw print to kind of give you an idea. Those sizes work really well together. So that is the 3-inch. If we're going to look at the 4-inch, you can get 9 or 10 of the 1-inch cookies in there. And then you can get about 18 to 20 of the 0.75 inch cookies. So this is the 1 inch in the 4-inch shaker. And then this is the 0.75 inch in the 4-inch shaker, which that's what we said, 10. So this is about 18, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 18. So this is 18 of the 0.75 inch cookies in the 4-inch shaker. Okay? Just to kind of give you an idea on scale. And then the tiny 2-inch shaker, I would stick with either the 0.75 inch cookies, so you can get 3 of them in there, or the tiny 0.5 inch cookies, where you can get about 8 in there. So hopefully that helps. Thanks, guys.